Hi, this is Mohit Gupta here. I've been training students for CAT, ZAT and other MBA entrance exams for last 18 years. Basically this video is about many of you who are always asking things like what would be the percentile wherein I could get into IIM Ahmedabad. It seems like there is some magic potion, some magic number which gets you into IIM Ahmedabad. Basically it doesn't work like that. There are many uncontrollables, and if you try to control all these factors, you'll end up nowhere. So you should not be looking at what is your class 10, 12 graduation result, whether you have work experience or you don't have work experience. My sincere suggestion to all the MBA aspirants is that out of 2 lakh candidates approximately who appear for CAT, only 500 or 600 odd will go into IIM A, another 500-600 to B, another 500-600 to C. So you may have a chance to go to these institutes. Do not ponder too much about getting into a particular B school. There are some very good B schools. You would be lucky to get into the top 20 or 30. See, when you are standing in front of a cake shop and the cake is inside the showcase, it doesn't belong to you, right? Similarly, when you are thinking in terms of doing an MBA till you have got a final admission call, I'm not talking of a call for GDPI. Once you have the call for GDPI, then you convert the GDPI, you have the final call, then only you can decide where I will go or where I will not go. Now, how to decide where to apply? The simple thing is that you have to take mock tests. Once you take the mock test, then according to your more or less average of the last 4-5 exams, that is the kind of percentile that you are going to score in these exams. So if your percentile in the mocks is around 90, then in the actual CAT or ZAT, you may score anywhere between 80 to 100. It may be that you get around 81 in CAT and 99 in ZAT. It may be the other way around, and these things are known to happen to most of the candidates. There are very few candidates who will score consistently at 90 or 95 or 99 across exams. So my sincere suggestion is that you should appear for CAT, ZAT, NMAT, SNAP and IFT. Before appearing for the exams, you should take the tests, mock tests, and then you should apply. If your percentile is the 90 range, then you have to apply to 80 plus, near about 90, near about 95 and near about 100 percentile colleges. Obviously it requires some expenditure, but unfortunately the system is like that you have to follow it. After that, you go for all the interviews that you get calls for. After you convert, then you can decide where you would like to go. So don't start by asking how much should I score to get into IIM Ahmedabad, because nobody can tell you that. There are cases where students with 99.5 have also not ended with Ahmedabad. So rather than thinking in terms of going only for Ahmedabad, only for XLRI, only for Bangalore, try to have a holistic view. Give all the exams. Before giving the exams, give the mocks. Based on your mock results, you decide where you can end up finally. So the time and effort spent on your exams preparation is not wasted. All the best. You will end somewhere. Sometimes believe in destiny also. All the best.